What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just getting outside the garage. Took a small break. About to get ready to wrap some things up and go back to Georgia. Get ready to pack some things up. Get a couple things going. I'm at a good stage right now. Pretty much need my kitchen cabinets in here. Pretty much need the kitchen cabinets and appliances. In this area pretty much be done. Got a couple of small things to do there. The touch-up paint, you know what I mean? Got to get some doors. I had to throw the doors away, the ones on the outside of the rooms, because they had holes and damaged real bad. But I wanted to give you an update. The bathroom, still working on a few things. Pretty much got it lined out pretty good. I'm excited. I still got some things, it's not perfect, but it's good. You know what I'm saying? It's great, man. I'm proud of it. I know my mom is proud of it. I know she tickled to death with the work I've been doing, trying to get this stuff done. And I've been just in here grinding, you know what I mean? But it's coming on along. I'm happy, you know what I mean? I'm happy for the progress. Still got some things to do, you know what I mean? But it's coming. It's coming. So just wanted to give y'all some small updates. And just wanted to say, man, right now I'm at a stage where it's time to start getting the other things to, keep things going steady. I'm gonna have to get my appliances and other stuff I have to do. I still have stuff to do for the outside, but on the whole, you know what I mean, it's solid. I still got small things to do, but it's solid though. You know what I mean. I'm happy with the progress. I'm tired, family, mentally, emotionally, physically. Like I'm tired, family. You know what I mean. And I've just been trying to get so much done. I had a couple things go wrong with the contractors running off on some money, not doing some things that they supposed to do. So a few things I had to redo that I'd already paid for. All the shower stuff I'd already paid for. I had to re-get that, you know what I mean? So it's been a headache. It's been a little stressful. Been a little irritable. So, since I've been down here, family, you know what I mean? I literally been doing this by myself, you know what I mean? I had a partner come through here and there, help me move something out the way, but all the painting, all the cutting, all the putting in, all the flooring, all the walls, everything, I've been doing it. The tub, the shower, you know what I mean? It's been challenging. Then falling back, doing stuff on the outside, doing this, trying to kill several birds in one stone, and I'm only one person, you know what I mean? But not trying to overwhelm myself, but when you got a vision and you got a goal and you can't depend on no one but you just have to go that extra mile, family. So I'm cool with this. So just wanted to say now it's the stages. If anyone want to give any housewarming gifts, now is the stage, you know what I mean? I got to get appliances. I got to get everything. So I'm starting over. So if you want to be a part of the start over at Momma's house, help me out. I appreciate it. You know what I mean? I got a lot going on. Like I say, a lot of money was spent that can't be replaced. You know what I mean? Can be replaced, but I got to replace it. I thought I already spent it. So that's a headache. But, I really feel like things are going to come along. I'm taking it one stage at a time, and I'm just going to see how I go. But I'm humble. I'm humble right now. And like I say, it's been challenging. I've been here for a week just getting it in. But you know what? Doing this whole process, it has taught me one thing, that you got to be serious and determined about your goals and dreams. You got to really want to do it. So if you don't want to do it, it's not going to happen. Like, you got to want to do it if don't nobody else help out. You got to want to build your arc if you're the only one doing it. Because that's what's I realize in life, the things that mean the most, you're going to have to be the one staying on it. I heard this millionaire, successful guy talk about people praise him now for the one time he made it. But it wasn't nobody around the 99 times he failed and he was trying to figure it out and he had to work his blueprint. He had to go back to the drawing board. You know what I mean? Life is that. Life is, we're always going to have a thorn in our side. We're always going to have something we're going to have to deal with, go through, overcome. You know what I mean? But the goal is to know who you are. Test your own strength. You don't know how strong you are until you put some weights on the problem, until you face something. You know what I mean? So just want to say this has been challenging. My mama's house renovation has been very challenging. We still got a few things to do, but we are at least 90% done, I would like to say. And I'm happy, I'm humble, and I'm excited, family. I'm excited on how things are going to go. So I really believe things are going to be great. I'm just taking things one day at a time. And like I say, I'm going to keep getting my hog on. So we're going to be in the Arkansas area. So for those who are not familiar with Arkansas, check it out. I'm going to be down here. So I'm going to have a few things going to get us a part of it, get us to come together and do some things. Visit the website, www.hogonwelding.com. Check out some of the gear. I got some gear on Amazon if you're looking for sweaters, hoodies, all that type of stuff. Just put in Hog On Welding t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, whatever you need. I appreciate the support. And like I said, man, keep getting your hog on. Y'all be blessed. Be safe. I'm going to get some rest so I can hit that road and get back to Georgia. Hog on.